They're not intimidated by us at all. Yeah, they really are. Oh, they come out to the boat all the time. Yeah. And, I have pictures of it just like you. Just like we are. They have to breathe, they have to have air, and they have to have water. They come off and they blow air out of their blowhole.
They might be swimming away.
They're actually blowing salt water because they need fresh water as mammals. And they get their fresh water by digesting the fish that they swallow whole into their body. They get their fresh water. But they have a muscle that squeezes off the salt water when they get a fish. And when they come up to take a breath, they blow that salt water out of their blowhole. And that's what you're hearing.
Ooh. Oh, he's right here. Look. Aww, that was cool.
One picture ought to turn out, maybe, out of all these ones I'm taking. We're gonna rock from it.